Hi everyone, we're Team Loyalty Lion, and today we want to talk about using notifications to improve your sales conversion. We will be touching on our recommended strategy and the best practice tips we have for driving the most value from this piece of functionality. Very simply, notifications are on-site messages designed to drive engagement with your loyalty program and can play a crucial role in the success of your loyalty program for several reasons. Notifications facilitate real-time communication, provide timely reminders, and encourage loyalty-boosting actions with the end goal of driving engagement with your program. Whether you're looking to grow market share, increase loyalty membership, or optimize on-page conversion, there's a notification for you. We want to start with where to position them in your customer journey to drive the most impact. There are a few key moments in a customer's journey where we encourage using notifications. Pre-purchase notifications are a function of conversion rate optimization and have a more immediate impact by increasing program engagement from your existing loyal customers. Within Loyalty Lion, these can take a number of forms that includes highlighting the program to guest shoppers and reminding logged-in program members of any rewards they have available. Loyalty Lion also offers post-purchase notifications that help you build and engage a bigger community. Post-purchase notifications promote non-transactional ways for members to engage with your brand while developing brand affection that brings them back repeatedly. Both pre- and post-purchase notifications reliably drive month-on-month revenue growth for your program. Let's start by looking at the notifications available to everyone. From new arrivals to returning customers, you can influence consumer behavior through on-site notifications. There are 2 Loyalty Line notifications available for everyone to implement. The first is Earn Points. This notification lets signed-in shoppers know that they've earned points every time they complete an activity on site. It lets customers know which rule they've completed and how many points they got for doing so. We also have the Welcome New Visitors notification that lets customers who are not members of the loyalty program know that your amazing loyalty program exists, and it helps them to sign up effortlessly. We also have our customer tier change notification, which is available to brands who have loyalty tiers enabled. To encourage further engagement with your brand, this notification tells customers when their activity has moved them up into a new loyalty tier and then directs them to your loyalty page to ensure they're aware of the new benefits that come along with this. What are enhanced notifications? These are for sellers looking to further develop their engagement strategy. There are 3 enhanced notifications you can implement on your site, available only on our Plus plan or as an additional add-on for our advanced plans. First up, we have our Redeem Rewards notification. 80% of consumers are more likely to make a purchase from a brand that provides personalized experiences. Now that the customer is engaged, you can provide a personalized experience. When they return to your store, let them know what rewards they have available to redeem, like money off vouchers, percentage off vouchers, or even a free product. Now, let's look at our post-purchase notifications. Loyalty program members have a higher customer lifetime value as they are 68% more likely to convert a second time. Therefore, capturing new signups is invaluable for sustained growth. Using our guest sign-up notification will capitalize on the customer's attention during the post-purchase window as a highly effective way to drive new signups. And finally, we have our Refer a Friend notification. Referred customers are much more likely to convert, reducing acquisition costs, while also grabbing more market share. After successfully persuading your customer to convert, you know they like your brand. Now is the time to notify them that they can earn even more points by referring a friend, because we know customers are often happiest right after they make a purchase. Finally, let's go through our top takeaway tips for using notifications. Firstly, if you don't already have them set up, get your notifications turned on, and your program more visible on your site. You can find out how to do this in our Help Centre or by getting in touch with our support team who will be able to help. You also want to make sure that they are aligned with your brand tone. Notifications should feel like a natural extension of your customer's journey through the website. Think about the message you're using and how it positions against your brand. You can also use CSS to customize the look and feel of the notifications to make them look more aligned with the rest of your website, like the examples on the right. You'll also need to make sure you consider how it looks for both desktop and mobile users. You can toggle between views during setup to ensure your notifications are fully optimized for both experiences. And finally, once they are up and running, view your dashboards to track and manage performance to see the impact your notifications are having and the revenue and engagement they're driving through the program. That's it for today. Thank you so much for listening to our top tips on using notifications to improve your sales conversion. If you have any questions on how to set them up or are making changes to your current setup, please do go and check out our Help Centre, which includes all the information you need to know. Alternatively, you can get in touch with our support team who are ready and happy to help.